I've always thought COMPEL was one of our top conferences in the Power Electronics Society. The thing I like about it most is that you have the single oral tracks. As a result, a lot of great networking and a lot of great learning from your colleagues. And my talk was about some of the key technologies that are coming along beyond just the silicon carbide and gallium nitride power devices, that we'll be able to do more and more integration and have reliable power electronics.
Industry is much more constrained by cost and standards, but an academic conference, you can kind of put forth a lot of far out there ideas that sometimes they take hold, and that becomes the next norm.
Model validation based on experimental prototype is still a big challenge that needs to be addressed in many different directions, but of course also integrated design.
We have to make sure that as we design these systems, we have the appropriate tools, call them design automation tools, is very key, because we can do rapid prototyping and increase our confidence level that what we're about to commit to manufacturing will work.
We are moving more towards smaller volumes, and higher power requirements. In most cases, everything worked well. It's because of the development of very good simulation tools that are covering everything from a device level to the system level.
And so hardware in the loop is going to give everyone a better confidence factor that what we're ready to go build will indeed be a high-yielding, viable product.